TEMU, the ultra-affordable e-commerce app, offers multiple low-barrier ways to earn online in 2025, primarily through its affiliate program, reselling, and content creation. No inventory needed for most. Focus on promotion for passive income. Top earners hit $100 to $1,000 per month via referrals, with commissions up to 30%. 1. TEMU Affiliate Program. Easiest entry. Join via temu.com/affiliate or networks like ShareASale. Free sign-up, approved in days. Get unique links or codes for thousands of products, fashion, gadgets. Share on social media, blogs, or YouTube. Earn 5 to 20% per sale, higher for volume. Track clicks and orders in dashboard. Payouts monthly via PayPal, minimum 10. Strategy. Post TEMU hauls or deals. Viral TikToks convert best. 2. Resell products. Buy low, for example $5 items. Sell high on eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Etsy. Use TEMU's fast shipping. Focus on niches like home decor. Profit, 50–200% markup. Tools, apps like Spocket for bulk sourcing. Scale with bundles. Start with $50 investment. 3. Sell on TEMU. Apply as a seller, US or UK focus, via Seller Center. Submit business docs for code. List custom or imported goods. TEMU handles fulfillment. Earn via sales -5 to 15% fees. Ideal for dropshippers. 4. Referral and content bonuses. Refer friends for $5 to $20 credits. Create reviews and videos for sponsored posts, up to $300 per week. Use in-app games for free items to flip. Tips. Build audience. Instagram and TikTok. Disclose affiliates. Consistent posting yields $500+ per month. Low risk, high reward.